What is good, beautiful people? Welcome to my wheel gap. To another video. But yeah, this is my wheel gap. Ain't she beautiful? Anyways, like I said in the last video, today, technically not today since I filmed both of the videos on the same day, but anyways, you know what I mean. We are installing the rear over fenders right now. Finally, the car has been sitting like this, looking crazy for God knows how long. We're finally doing this. Oh yeah. To be fair, this is not the final installation video since I'm still doing something for the color. But I'm just sick of looking at this every single morning. So I'm just gonna use some double-sided 3M tapes. You can call it a mock-up, but it's still pretty strong. It can stay on there for probably as long as I want it to. But yeah, today, just the 3M tapes. Next time, when I'm done making the car the same color, then I'll install it with the double-sided tapes and some silicone. Oh God. Man, this is a good sign and a bad sign. The good sign is this thing's definitely sticky enough. The bad sign is I don't even know if I can take it out.
A few moments later.
This is crazy. So this is what it's gonna look like once it's on the car. So my plan is lay some tape along the edge, up there, up here, and I'll figure out the rest. Yep. For the final installation, I will need to get some L-shaped brackets. I think I'm gonna have to use the silicone to glue them up along this line first, also over here. And once that's dried, I'm going to, apply the silicone on top of that so that it can, seal up like this. Yeah. Man, I can't even peel this with gloves on. Cool. That's easy. All right, so I need to somehow build some kind of bracket along this line so that I can, maybe I'll just use silicone. I don't know. Man, check out the fitment. It is so good. I did the calculation before I ordered the over fenders. And I was like, if I did the calculation wrong, I should just stop doing wheel business because there's no way I can let this happen to myself. And yeah, well, turned out I'm pretty good at math and measuring and all of that. I like it. It looks a little odd, a little awkward because the car's not in one color, but it's actually pretty nice, yeah? This is a perfect thumbnail picture. Let's go. Alrighty, people. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.